I'll be going through with you how would you like I've got I've created a bill for myself and then I've created a refund of the same thing, but how would I net off the bill with the credit note. So this is the credit note with a minus and this is the bill, right? So what I do is I just go to the credit note, I click that, okay, and I go to add a manual payment. I can say bill refund because it was refunded. That's the amount. Okay, so then I can say that that's the amount, and I can also select a file, a proof that it was refunded. So whatever proof I was given by the supplier, I can just take a snapshot or scan it or whatever and then just upload it for a digital proof, because in case I lose the paper file it's better, and then you can see that attached is proof of refund from supplier, whatever, and then create and finish. Now let's have a look. Now let me go to bills, and I can see that this is locked. So you can just see that this lock appears because, and it says that it has been refunded, right? So you can see it has been refunded and there's a lock here. So that's done. Okay,